Oh no!
It's another attack!
Today you're going to get hands-on and learn cybersecurity skills.
2%?
2%.
So, where is everyone restarting these IP addresses?
So the command is update-firewall, then a space, and then an IP address.
Not only is it malicious looking at IPs, but it's also crashing our servers at the same time.
Right, so we need to restart the services and block the IPs at once.
Simultaneously.
How are we going to handle that many attacks?
Well, luckily we've got a distributed network of digital defenders.
Half the class could block IPs, the other half could restart services.
There's nothing else out there that's doing what these lessons are doing.
Figure something out, because we're now at 3%. There are
3%?
house fires, and the sirens aren't going off. All
Excellent.
clear. It's clear.
Excellent work. Really well done. I think you should give yourself a round of applause.